Hey, it's David with House Medic. Just wanted to let you know what I'm working on today. Got a deck that the pickets are old, about 30 years old. They're beginning to crack and break and come apart, so it's time to replace some pickets. Okay, that's the end of that. Got the pickets replaced all the way around on the deck itself, and everything came out nice. Went ahead and tightened down all the bolts that hold the rails onto the deck, so those are nice and secure once again as well. Hope you enjoyed this, and thank you so much for watching.